welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones on UAE with me, Karishma Rana, and today we are going to discuss about a variant which is as adventurous as its name, or we can say as mysterious as its name. So we are talking about a variant which is Sony's Xperia LT29i. Yes, we are talking about LT, a amazing variant out here. If we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant has got some inbuilt things in it, or we can say something which is really amazing out here, or we can say something which no other phone can have in it. Not talking about the specification, not about the looks, it's about the name itself. अगर इसके नाम की ही बात करें तो एक्सपीरिया ने बहुत ऐसे मॉडल्स लॉन्च किए हैं. देयर हैव बीन लॉट ऑफ मॉडल्स आउट देयर जिनका नाम जो है कॉम्बिनेशन है अबाउट द अल्फाबेट्स, numbers or the alphanumeric. It has many kinds of such series, and one of such series is this LT series out here for you guys, which gives me another pleasure to tell you that it is a light-weighted phone. Yes, it's a very light-weighted phone out here for you guys. If you talk about this phone, then you will get to see that this phone is very light weighted, as it has got just 110 grams weight. Just 110 मतलब 110 ग्राम का फोन, मतलब इतना हल्का फोन, इतना लाइट वेटेड फोन एक्चुअली में हमें अब नहीं देखने को मिलता है. We really don't see such light weighted phones now. Talking about this phone, why this is light due to n number of reasons, due maybe because of the screen size used in it, battery used in it, the body type used in it, everything decides the its weightage. Very light weighted. uh Satya, if we talk about its touch, क्योंकि touch phone है, so let us talk about the touch screening of it. LED backfit captive touch screening है. This was a very old version out here for captive screening. LED backfit बहुत पुराना है, बहुत like in 2010 we used to see such kind of models. 2010 2012, and ये मॉडल तब का ही है, 2013 के अराउंड का ये मॉडल है. सो इट्स डेफिनेटली ओके टू हैव बैक फिट एलईडी, बिकॉज उस टाइम पे बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर था. वहीं पर इसकी जो स्क्रीन है 3.5 इंच की स्क्रीन है विद अ रेजोल्यूशन कैपेसिटी ऑफ 165. इसीलिए भी इसका वेट बहुत लाइट है, क्योंकि रेजोल्यूशन कैपेसिटी एज सच कम है, तो डेफिनेटली स्क्रीन रेशियो भी इसका कम ही है. वहीं अगर हम बात करें इसमें आपको रेजोल्यूशन कितना देखने को मिल रहा है, 165 है, तो 3.5 इंच की स्क्रीन के साथ इट गोज हैंड इन हैंड. वेरी नाइस प्रोटेक्शन आउट देयर, वेरी नाइस कॉम्बिनेशन. प्रोटेक्शन की बात करें, वी टॉक अबाउट द रेजिस्टेंस इन इट, तो स्क्रैच प्रूफ ग्लासेस हैं. ये स्क्रैच प्रूफ ग्लासेस आर देयर अलोंग विद सर्टिफिकेशन ऑफ वाटर एंड डस्ट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ IP67. बहुत एडवांस्ड है IP67 यहाँ पर. A major drawback in the 2020 for this phone, मतलब 2020 के इस फोन में आप मेजर ड्रॉबैक कह सकते हैं, that is the Android system in it. Yes, इसका Android system जो है, इसके Android की बात करें तो इसमें आपको Android 2.3 देखने को मिल रहा है. Android 2.3 which is upgradable up to Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, मतलब इतने तक आपको अपग्रेड होने के देखने को मिल रहा है. तो Android 4 is a very old model out here. चिप सिस्टम की बात करें तो एंड्रॉइड 4.1 अपग्रेड होने तक भी ये एनोवा थॉर UB 820 पर वर्क करेगा. सो दैट्स अनदर फैक्टर आउट है. कार्ड स्लॉटेशन की बात करें तो एक्सपैंडेबिलिटी भी है इसमें. एक्सपैंडेबल मेमोरी हो सकती है, अबाउट 32 GB एक्सपैंडेबिलिटी है. डेडिकेटेड स्लॉट है अलोंग विद द नैनो सिम्स इनबिल्ट इन इट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट 8 GB की इंटरनल स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी है विद 4 GB यूजर यूसेज एंड 2 GB तक आराम से आप इसमें एक्सटर्नली कर सकते हैं और काम. एंड द रैम इज अ ड्रॉबैक टू दिस फोन विच इज जस्ट 512 MB. 512 MB की रैम है, तो 8 GB के साथ उतना ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं गया, बट एक्सपैंडेबल है, expandable memory है. so this goes a great feature out for 8 GB RAM. 8 GB स्टोरेज के साथ बहुत ज्यादा ये सही रहा. और टॉकिंग अबाउट द कैमरा, इसमें आपको कैमरा जो देखने को मिलता है 5 मेगापिक्सल का कैमरा देखने को मिल रहा है, which is again a very good variant out here with geo tagging and all the features out here. If you're wondering that the camera out there is a selfie camera or not, no, it does not have a selfie camera. So this is not a selfie camera out here. Yes, it is not a selfie camera. If we talk about the type, then it is just a sensation out here. And as well as if we see the look out here, you can see a look. This is not a selfie camera because it does not possess any secondary camera out here for the selfie or anything else out there. Where it has 3.5 jack for you guys. It has 3.5 jack, as well as other different color variants are available for you guys. बहुत सारे colors के यहाँ variants हैं. You can also check out that it has got all the connectivities for you all. That the connectivities are in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot, any other connectivity you need. They are available out here. बैटरी लाइफ की बात करें तो बहुत लाइटेड वेटेड बैटरी लाइफ है, नॉन रिमूवेबल है. बिकॉज एक्सपीरिया सम फोन्स हैव रिमूवेबल बैटरी बट इट डज नॉट हैव. 1300 mAh की बैटरी है, सो दैट डज नॉट गोज वेल आउट है कि 1300 mAh की बैटरी is not much used, or we can say is not much appropriate at the time of 2020. So we can say कि yes, थोड़ा सा अगर और बैटरी लाइफ इंक्रीज रहती तो 2020 में काफी ज्यादा अच्छे वेरिएंट देखने को मिल सकते हैं. But talking about this phone is great for the users who don't want any phone which is like high tech, or we can say don't want to use a type keyboard, a small type we used to use in late 90s or early 20s. We used to use एकदम keypad आता था छोटा, उनके लिए नहीं. But you can definitely try this out. अगर high tech phone नहीं चाहिए. And talking about this phone, this is available on a limited websites out there. Yes, very limited websites are offering this. So you can definitely check out this. And for that, all you have to do is go to the link in the description or go on Google and type phoneson.ae. Yes, you have to type on Google phoneson.ae, and then you will land up to such kind of a website where they are offering a great discounts, offers, best deals, everything out there. Yes, you are getting a lot of deals out here. Not just on a one brand, there are n number of brands out here. There is a category for all mobile phones, and you get to see n number of brands out here. मतलब यहाँ बहुत सारे brands आपको देखने को मिलते हैं. So you can definitely try this out. And talking about this phone, this is also available on this site, so you can definitely try this phone out here. Talking about this phone is what you have to do is search in the search bar and write Xperia. And when you do the Xperia search, you have to be very specified. Why I'm saying very specified, or why I'm saying like you should be specified, because Xperia has got n number of models. So you need to check out whether you need this model or not. Xperia के साथ हमने भी बात जो की हम वो टाइप करेंगे. So we will write LT. इसके आगे का वर्जन अगर मैं बात करूं तो it is LG29. Then I'll type I if needed. वरना मुझे यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी देखने को मिल गया है हमारा. So I have got my model out here. सर्च बार में रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं. So I can definitely check out कि मेरा मॉडल जो है वो किस कंडीशन में है, इसकी प्राइसिंग क्या है, अवेलेबल है नहीं है. Because availability is a main thing out there. So when we do this, we get to see a number of products. So the results are out. So we'll check the results. Talking about the results, this is the site and this has got a description out here. Description है, इसमें आपको warranty period भी मिल रहा है, पूरा इसमें description दिया हुआ है. And talking about this phone, there is a condition written over here that is refurbished condition. So let us first talk about refurbished word and refurbished condition out here. क्योंकि refurbished क्या है ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है. So talking about the refurbished condition, we can say that refurbished word itself means creating something new, like creating something new again. So this is what refurbished means, and refurbished products are exactly tested and verified just like the brand new products. जैसे ब्रांड न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए सर्टिफिकेशंस होता है हर जगह पर, वैसे ही इसमें भी एक पर्टिकुलर जगह पर ही सारे टेस्ट होते हैं फॉर ऑल दी प्रोडक्ट्स. अब ये टेस्ट किस तरह के होते हैं? दीज आर फॉर द डिस्प्ले, बैटरी, इट्स connectivity, its audio, its video, you can say the colorization, its OS system, its platforms used in it, the battery life, charger, earphones, all the gadgets which are attached to it. चाहे वो इसके इंटरनल फीचर्स हो, एक्सटर्नल हो. अगर एक्सटर्नल है तो स्क्रैचेस वगैरह भी देखने पड़ते हैं कैमरा सही से कैप्चर कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है, इज एवरीथिंग, ऑल द पैरामीटर्स आर इन्वॉल्व व्हिच आर फॉर द ब्रांड न्यू. Doesn't matter, it fails in one, either it fails in Bluetooth connectivity or hotspot SIM recognition, it fails, or anything it fails, it is rejected over there. But it has to pass all the 29 parameters and then it is listed on the site. So additional to this, when we say about these products, you get 4 additional benefits. These benefits include nothing else but you can say additional things, features. Number one is it says the warranty period, which I have shown you the warranty period out here for the phone. As I have shown in the description that they are offering 6 months warranty period out here. Yes, 6 months warranty is given. This is one feature or the benefit for refurbished products. Second is nothing else but the savings you get. Yes, you get to save up to 15%. You get to save up to 15 to 17% easily on your products. Third is the pocketable rates. It gets you pocketable rates out there. Fourth is the replacement and money back guarantee. Yes, 7 days money back and replacement guarantee is there for the product. So you get a very amazing benefit out there with terms and conditions, obviously. So these are the main advantages of having a refurbished product. So this website is basically not for just refurbished, for brand new as well. So you can definitely try this out website, which is phoneson.uae, and the website name is phoneson.ae. The channel is phoneson.uae. I'll see you in the next video. तब तक आप अपनी comment section में हमें लिख के बता सकते हैं कि आपको कौन सा प्राइस चाहिए, आपको कौन सा मॉडल चाहिए, because pricing varies, but the models are definitely available out here. बेस्ट प्राइसिंग के लिए आप साइट को विजिट कर सकते हैं या फिर हेल्पलाइन पे कॉल कर सकते हैं. टिल देन टेक केयर.